How to reset the oil life on your Ford Maverick. Hey everyone, I'm Jason Gillett. I do tech tutorials, vehicle walkarounds, and all things automotive. And today I'm going to help you with this. Now this is for the first generation Maverick. So this is our model that goes up to 2025. Now this is the digital display that you see here. We're going to be using these menu buttons and back buttons right here. You can toggle this up or down, or hit the back button or hit the menu button to try and enter into some of the menus. So the first thing we're going to hit is the menu button, and that's going to bring up some menus. We're going to back out and we're going to start just toggling down. And if you see this settings button here, it's a little tricky because you think that you would hit the OK button to maybe go in there, but that doesn't work. What you actually have to hit is the menu button. So we're going to hit menu button, and that's going to access our settings screen. And you can see a bunch of different things in the settings screen, but we want to go into information. Now to go into information, we actually do hit the OK button. They just love to confuse us. And then we're in the oil life button. So we hit OK again. Now to reset oil life, we just press and hold this OK button, press and holding this, and the oil life has been reset. And now we are showing 100% oil life. So I hope this video was helpful for you guys. I know these buttons can be a little bit tricky. I do have more Maverick videos if you want to see them. If you guys have any questions about this or do want to see any other Maverick content, go ahead and throw that in the comments section below and I'll get to that right away. If you guys like this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this, if you hit that bell icon, you'll be notified every time I make a video. And if you want to help this channel out, help me out, go ahead and click that subscribe button. That'll help the channel out a bunch. All right, thank you so much for watching this video. Hope it helped.